When you work in the car industry, it can be a problem, and that's because you are surrounded by cars every day and there's a push and a pull. Should I buy this car? Should I invest in this car? Is this the right car for me? And quite quickly you turn in from an enthusiast into a collector. And so the car that we're talking about here that I just couldn't let slip through my fingers is a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500XL Coupe. Now, I'm told that this is one of 3 in the country. We've all seen Sarel van der Merwe racing his big red around the racetracks of South Africa, and this is also a red one, and I got lucky enough that this was a garage find. And the car has a fantastic history in that the second owner was traveling from Durban to Joburg and saw the vehicle parked at a fuel station. Managed to track down the owner and concluded a deal in the 60s. This guy has owned the vehicle from the 60s up until now. But the kicker is that 22 years ago, unfortunately for him, he fell ill and he could no longer drive the car. It was put on stilts in his garage where it sat for 21 years. And that's where I came in. We have the car, it's just gone through its first initial shakedown, and I'm really excited about this car. More of a European sports car kind of guy, but there's definitely a lure and appeal to a big V8 muscle car, and especially one that is so rare within South Africa. It is a big boat, but that's kind of the appeal of it, you know. You're not really driving this to go fast, it's the experience of it. I mean, this particular one, I feel like it is driving pretty well. I mean, it still needs work. But I quite like the fact that it's a manual, so, you know, with this upgraded 4-speed over a 3-speed, there's pretty good cruising. You can sit on the highway at 120. You still got power if you put your foot down. And I think once we've finished, just with a little bit of fettling here and there, it's going to be a really nice car, and something that we'd like to take to car shows and show the public. Just enjoy it.